in this business, you can have the most beautiful farm, but if the jockey is not right, riding that horse.
Yes.
Now, the biggest influence of terroir remains the human hand.
Yeah, it has to.
Deciding what I want to plant. If I want to plant vineyards, is that my main focus, or is it prunes and peaches and other stuff? Then all of a sudden grapes become like a secondary to whatever it's not the main product on the farm anymore. We get to the crunch time of harvest, and then you see the real wine farmers versus the grape farmers versus the farmers that's just farming grapes for hobby.
Okay.
Then you start seeing the big differences, because this is now you need to make decisions on things where, is it worth the effort? Are you going to make the effort, or you just want to get this under a roof and let somebody else worry about that? That's the big difference between a wine farmer and a grape farmer.
Yeah, so like a vigneron.
That is one of the most insane words, I mean, to be a vigneron.